Today I'm going to be painting this wall back here. I want to make it a chalkboard wall so that my boys can doodle on it and so that I can have a place to keep our dinner menu plan up for the week. I went to Lowe's and found this chalkboard paint. It was only $14.99 for a pint, so I'm hoping that this is going to be enough for that wall. Then I went to Walmart and got this mini roller kit. It was just a little over $5, and this angled brush, which was under $2. And then I already had some painter's tape that I got from Dollar Tree, and then I have this extension pole that's really like for a broom handle, but I'm gonna use it for this thingy so that I can reach higher parts of the wall because our ceilings are 9 foot tall. And then at Ace Hardware, I found these painter's gloves. They're supposed to be reusable, so I'm hoping that after I use them today, I can just throw them in the wash and they will come clean. I didn't feel like painting the light switch cover black, so I ordered a black one from Amazon. I believe it was around $5, so I didn't mind spending $5 for a new black light switch plate cover. And then I also grabbed some Crayola chalk, which was 98 cents. So I've got everything all taped off. I used some big lawn and leaf black trash bags to protect the side of the fridge because I do want to paint this side of the wall. So far I've got the edges done along the ceiling. I was really careful. I tried not to get the ceiling, and I think I did a pretty good job overall. So I ran the edges with a brush, and now I'm gonna go in with my roller to paint in the middle. This is just flat paint because we built our home Our entire house has flat paint and I hate it. So that's why I didn't prime the wall. I'm just slapping this paint right over top and I hope that it works. The first coat is on and finished. It's looking really good. I'm starting to get super excited about this. It's kind of spotty in some areas, so I'm gonna definitely be applying a second coat.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. want you for myself every single day. Set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Okay, so after I applied my 2 coats, I gave it plenty of time to dry. Then you saw me remove all the painter's tape, and I try to clean up a little bit around here. And the last and final step is to season your chalkboard so that every time you write on it, it's gonna make it easier to wipe it clean. So I've just seasoned the chalkboard here, so I'm getting ready to wash all this chalk away with a damp microfiber cloth. And then our chalkboard is ready for doodling.